Hello. In this video, we'll review the mounting process for the facial recognition time clock. For proper installation, you're going to need the following tools: a drill, a measuring tape, a level, screws, and a screwdriver. Once you have these items, let's decide where to place the clock. When choosing a mounting location for the clock, make sure the employee's face will be well lit with even lighting, exposing the employee's face clearly to the camera. Avoid mounting the clock in a position where the overhead light is visible in the camera frame. Also avoid placing a light directly behind the employee or behind the camera, as these two positions can cause uneven lighting exposures. Avoid mounting the time clock in front of or near any windows, as the changes to outdoor lighting conditions can interfere with the accuracy of the facial recognition system. When setting up the time clock, it's recommended to install it at 57 inches to the top of the clock for users 5 feet and taller. This means the screws for the bottom holes on the mounting plate will be 51 inches from the floor. For users who are under 5 feet tall, we recommend a mounting height of 46 inches to the top of the time clock for their convenience. This means the screws for the bottom holes on the mounting plate will be 40 inches from the floor. It's essential to remember that all employees must use the clock that is mounted at the height they enrolled at to ensure accurate identification. If you're using a power cord, the terminal needs to be mounted less than 4 feet from an outlet. For users not using Wi-Fi, you'll need to be close enough to an Ethernet connection. Make sure to measure the height. Using a pencil, mark where the hole should be drilled. It's crucial to maintain consistency in the mounting height between all your time clocks. This ensures that all users have a uniform experience. Once you've marked the holes with a pencil, proceed with drilling into the wall. Hammer the anchors that will hold the terminal into the wall. Once the anchors are secure, attach the back of the clock to the wall using the provided screws. If you're not using Wi-Fi, feed the power and Ethernet cords through the bottom of the casing. After that, proceed with attaching your selected power supply option to the clock. Once they're all attached, slide the front of the clock onto the casing that is attached to the wall. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the facial recognition time clock. Now you can enjoy accurate and reliable time tracking.